In this video, we are going to install Live2D in our system. Windows. Open your browser and search Live2D. Click on Downloads. This is their official website. Download Cubism Editor. Keep scrolling and go to bottom. Click on I consent. First download, individual, then enter any email address. Or you can enter yours. Now click on Windows download link. Once download is completed, click on Installer and follow along. Finally, Live2D is installed in your system. Start Live2D as free version for now. I will explain further in next video. If you have 1440p screen or higher, everything will look very small in Live2D because it doesn't support Windows scaling. So right-click on its shortcut, Properties. Compatibility. Change high DPI setting. Override high DPI scaling behavior, System Enhanced. Click OK, and you are done. Now text will look larger but a bit blurry. Unfortunately, we can't have it all. But that's life, nothing is perfect. Mac. Open your browser and search Live2D. Click on Live2D Cubism link. Download trial version. Keep scrolling and go to bottom. Consent, then click on First Download, Individual and enter any email address or yours. Download Mac version and then allow, it will start downloading Live2D. Once download is done, open Finder and go to Downloads folder, right-click on Cubism Editor and click on Open. Then click on Open again and follow through the installation. Enter your Mac password and you're done. Live2D is successfully installed on your Mac. Start Live2D as free version for now. I will explain further in next video. Linux. First step is to open your browser and search Live2D. You will need to download the Windows installer first so we can run it in Wine. Scroll down. I consent and download Windows version. It will take a while to download depending on your speed. Now we will need to install Wine, so search WineHQ, click on the WineHQ link. Then go to download. There are different versions of Linux distro and each have their own method. I am using Ubuntu-based distro, so I am going to click on Ubuntu. To know about your distro and version type cat/etc/os release in terminal and press enter. As you can see, mine is Linux Mint, version 20.3, so I am going to click this second link for source files. Now just copy-paste each lines and paste this in your terminal. Enter your user account password. Last step gonna take some time depending on your network speed, so be patient. Enter Y and press enter. Once it's completed, close all the window, open your downloaded Live2D setup by right-clicking on it. Then open with Wine, it will start configuring and installing some required files. It took a lot of time, so be patient, but once it's done, repeat same steps and Live2D installer will start and follow along. Once it's completed without any error, you can simply run Live2D from your desktop shortcut. Sometimes it causes error, you will need to install different version of Wine in that case. Start Live2D as free version for now. I will explain further in next video. And we have successfully installed Live2D.